In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ETrade tax documents. Here's the plan. We'll sign into your account, then head straight to the area where ETrade keeps all tax forms and year-end statements. Everything you need is already on the site. It's just a matter of knowing exactly where to look and what the labels mean. Start by going to the official ETrade website and signing into your account. Once you're on your account homepage, you're only a few clicks away from your tax forms. The key is to locate the navigation that leads to documents. Depending on your layout, you'll see menu items that mention accounts, documents and statements, or tax center. These are the keywords to look for. Most users will find tax documents by following this path. Open the accounts menu, choose documents and statements, and then select tax center. On desktop, these options are typically at the top of the page or in a main navigation bar. If your screen is smaller, the same items may be inside a menu icon. The wording can vary slightly, but if you can find accounts and then documents and statements, Tax Center is usually right there. When you arrive in the Tax Center, you'll see your available tax documents grouped by year and account. This is where ETrade posts items like consolidated 1099 forms for taxable brokerage accounts, as well as other tax-related documents when applicable. You'll typically have options to view or download files, and documents are presented in a standard format so you can save them to your records or share them with your tax preparer if needed. If you don't immediately see the document you expect, a couple of points can help. Forms are often released in stages, especially early in the year, and corrections can cause later updates. It's normal for some documents to appear later than others, particularly if an investment issues revised data. Also, if you manage more than one account, make sure you're looking at the right area of the tax center, since documents are organized by account and year. To recap, the navigation is simple once you know the labels to follow. Sign in, then go to Accounts, open Documents and Statements, and choose Tax Center. That path is the most common, and the same keywords, Accounts, Documents and Statements, Tax Center, will guide you even if the layout looks a little different. Once you're there, your tax forms are ready to view or download so you can finish your filings with confidence.